these are the sites some video editors use for their video. Number one is Pepper Animator. This Pepper Animator animates your documents just like you see now. And you can get this Pepper Animator by going to pepperanimator.com. The next one is Jitter Video. What does Jitter Video do? Jitter Video animates charts just like you see your bar charts, your forex signals, in case you want to teach forex class or you want to use for adverts. Okay, Jitter Video is the tool that you need, and you can get Jitter Video by going to jitter.video. The next site is Acid Byte. What can we do in Acid Byte? Acid Byte provides free 4K editing footages. Okay, it provides b-rolls, provides sound effects, provides stock footages, provides stock images, and also provides transitions for your videos. And you can get Acid Byte by going to their site, which is acidbyte.com. The next site you are going to go to is the one I normally use for my videos. What is that one? Chat Animator. What does Chat Animator do? Just like you see charts rolling in animation in other people's videos, you can get this type of animation by going to chat/animator.net and you get it. So if you have not been following me on this platform, please go and hit the subscribe button, okay? And stay tuned because more and more of this type of contents will be coming your way all from this place. Peace.